Keep them moving gently to the left.
Temperature is stable. Clear the gate.
As the hoppers collect the purified fat, automated sensors meticulously measure weight and moisture.
Bay 3, rack 12, confirming placement.
Check the pressure on gauge 4.
Reading stable.
The flow rate is holding steady at 98%.
Good.
The flow rate on VAT 3 is slightly high. The sensors are all synchronized. Levels are rising perfectly. We can proceed with the batch.
Confirmed. We are ready for saponification.
The sensors utilize advanced spectrometry to ensure final purity before the batch moves to the mixing area.
Final inspection ensures the quality of the fat samples before the saponification process begins.
Diverting to mixer 3 now. The pH is stabilizing right on target.
Yes, and the temperature is holding steady at 95.
Saponification is the chemical. This is the saponification hall. Here, sodium hydroxide and
Increasing the feed rate now, the consistency is optimal.
The pH levels are stable at 7.2. Viscosity is consistent.
The thermal gradient is stabilizing perfectly.
Confirmed.
In the purification hall, the molten soap slurry is precisely combined.
%, holding steady. RPM.
The reading here is fluctuating slightly.
I see it. Let's adjust the valve and...
The moisture levels are holding steady at 2%.
Good. Increase the paddle speed by 5 RPM.
Automated temperature regulation ensures the soap slurry remains molten as robotic.
Stable at 25 Celsius. Flow rate is optimal.
Temperature stabilized at 22 Celsius.
Volume steady, ready for blending sequence.
Check the viscosity on line 3.
It's holding steady at 25,500 CPs. I'm increasing the flow rate now.
The automated arms ensure real-time analysis, checking viscosity and color.
Increasing the flow rate to 20 liters per minute.
Viscosity is holding steady.
Temperature is holding steady at 45.2 degrees.
Good. Maintain the...
Check the viscosity on tank 3. It seems stable now.
Yes, temperature is optimal.
Sample 4B shows uniform consistency.
Good. Let's clear the batch for fragrance
Check the flow rate on vat 3. Confirmed. Levels are stable.
Sensors measure the exact volume of the slurry, allowing our technicians to monitor.
We need to increase the airflow on the lower tier.
Adjusting the parameters now.
The temperature is stable at 300 degrees.
Airflow adjustments look good.
This is how I saw 2 years.
The moisture reading on this batch seems slightly high.
Let's adjust.
Check the sensors on the far right stack.
Reading 14%.
Review the schematic for the new storage layout.
Looks optimized. Humidity levels holding steady at 65%.
Uniformity is 90.
As the soap bars move down the line, synchronized stamping heads imprint the iconic Lux logo with incredible speed and precision. Here at the heart of the operation, synchronized robotic arms handle the packing with pinpoint accuracy, monitored by our expert team.
Utilizing advanced sensors and precision robotics, these synchronized labeling stations ensure every pallet is tracked with high efficiency.
Check the sensor data on aisle 7. Reading confirmed. All parameters are optimal.
This state-of-the-art facility ensures that our products are packaged and shipped with unparalleled precision, 24 hours a day.